Alright guys, so I've been messing with this Octominer. I have it out in the garage. And remember, we had the bad SSD. Now I did a bunch of testing off camera just because it would just be too long of a video, but essentially I put one GPU in it, I let it mine overnight, and I didn't have any problems. It looks like, I believe that SSD, per my testing, just died. It was just a bad SSD. So it'll be funny because I know that this person replaced a lot of parts on this thing and they couldn't get it to work. And it would be funny if it was all just because of a $20 SSD or whatever. So I got it for a pretty good price. So before I get into the garage, because it's going to be really loud because of the S19 out there, I am going to be putting 8 6700 XTs in there. They are the AMD reference style cards. Now, I've tested it with one, but today we're gonna load it up with all 8. I've cleaned the fans up, and so I'm gonna go out there and we're gonna speed roll the build, and hopefully it picks up all 8 cards. And if it does, then we know we're good. If it doesn't, then we know we're gonna have more problems. So let's go do it. Today, FluxPools.net would like to announce a miner appreciation program where they will be giving one lucky miner $1,000 in Flux every month for the next 12 months. Flux Labs is operated by the people from the Flux team, and their main goal is to provide a safe and transparent mining experience. While the Flux project does not take directly from the pool, FluxPools.net does give a portion of their fees back to the Flux project because they understand that both the project and the miners are what make this pool possible. Entering the $1,000 monthly giveaway is easy, and here's how. Mine at the pool and maintain at least a 90% uptime for the first month and 95% uptime for the following months over the next 30-day period with at least one GPU. Yep, that's it. The giveaway prize will be sent directly to the mining address and nowhere else, so please do not mine directly to an exchange. Rewards may be lost as a result. This is all on top of their normal weekly loyalty program, and starting on August 19th, all the parallel asset fees will be cut in half. So please check out fluxpools.net for a great place to mine.
The GPU Hanger. Misfit Mining and the Meter Box Company have partnered up to bring back the GPU hangers better than ever. The iconic Misfit Mining GPU hanger is now going to be PVC injection molded, making them stronger and more heat resistant than ever before. This project will be 100% community funded and produced once our goal is met. As a thank you for all your support, we are running a massive giveaway for the entire month of September, giving away over $7,000 in prizes like the iPolo V1 Mini, Mini Classic Plus, G1 Mini, tons of meter boxes, GPU hangers, and limited edition NFTs. Check out the new GPU hanger and enter this amazing giveaway. No purchase is necessary. You may also purchase additional items for even better chances to win. The GPU hanger contest is worldwide, extending through September 30th. Winners will be publicly announced on October 5th.
All right, guys, we're in my laundry room so I can talk. So anyways, I got this Octominer used. Allegedly this person had tried to replace the extension board, the motherboard, and all this other stuff, and still couldn't get it to work. What they didn't troubleshoot though was a bad SSD, because SSDs do die, especially in power outages. I know Panda had one. He had 2 or 3 SSDs in a power surge that he had, or outage. So something very basic like that. I got that Octominer for a great deal because the person just didn't troubleshoot properly. So that's one thing you have to do as a miner, is you need to troubleshoot your rigs. Because, you know, obviously this guy still had a good Octominer and he just didn't know it. I mean, besides cleaning the fans a little bit, whatever. Other than that, the thing was perfectly fine. So that just goes to show you that troubleshooting could really help you guys acquire gear for maybe a lower price, maybe something that doesn't work. I had a feeling that maybe it was something like this, because not everybody is, you know, as mechanically inclined as the next person, or people don't have as much, you know, experience troubleshooting computers and hardware. So, you know, this was a great experience, because you never know what you're gonna get with something like this. It could have been something easy, or maybe I was gonna have to take the motherboard out, or take the extension board out, or, you know, all these other things, but it ended up being something simple. So, all right, guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.